I reiterate my deep remorse and guilt for what I have done, and I am now animated by an honest desire to help rectify the institutional defects in the systems and operations. There are situations that national and local elected politicians would request me to source projects for them.
May iba ka pa bang ebidensya na magpapatunay po sa inyong sinumpaang salaysay?
We sought the assistance of the Honorable Marcoleta. Tulungan niya tayo na malocate para makapag-testify na muli si Technical Sergeant Gutesa. So ang sagot po ni Honorable Marcoleta, wala rin po siyang contact kay Orly Gutesa.
Hilingi natin yung ledger from Mr. and Mrs. Diskaya. Can we have it?
Point of information, nakabalik na po yung mag-asawa. May mga dala raw sila. Senator Marcoleta, ito yung napagpagawaran nyo sa hearing nyo, yung dala na nila, yung ledger.
Hopefully, Mr. Chair, na meron silang maipapakita na talagang magagamit natin.
So, 472 na yung ghost.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Magkano total nun?
DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan is a long-time DPWH official. I look up to Sec Bonoan and consider him as a mentor. I treasure his guidance and friendship over the years.
Yung 5 billion a year ni Secretary Bonoan, from 2023, 24, 25, meron ding napunta saan program?